Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the device and removing any case so you can work without obstruction. Once done, check the button type visually. Is it a mechanical switch, membrane pad, or a rocker? You need a small screwdriver, a toothpick, and isopropyl alcohol at least 70% for cleaning. Keep a microfiber cloth nearby. Now make a careful visual inspection for debris, nail gaps, or sticky residue around the button to know which method to use next. You should now open the panel or remove the back cover using the correct screws or clips. Work slowly to avoid breaking tabs. Once exposed, blow compressed air to remove loose debris, then use a toothpick to dislodge gunk from crevices. Apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cloth or cotton swab to dissolve sticky residue. If you see a mechanical switch, gently free the housing. If it's a membrane button, clean around the rubber pad. You reseat any button parts and lightly test the action before fully reassembling. Power the device on to confirm volume response. Make sure seals or adhesive strips are replaced, and tighten screws snugly but don't over-torque them, because warped casing can cause new binding. If the button still sticks after cleaning and reseating, consider replacing the switch or membrane, or seek professional repair for soldered or internal mechanism faults. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, monitor for heat or swelling that indicates battery issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.